My name is Pragati Misra. In my previous lecture, I have discussed about ODE and PDE. Now, I am going to discuss order of ODE. So, what is the definition? The order of highest order derivative is called order of the differential equation. What does it mean? I'll explain you by taking some examples. So, this is my first example. d2y by dx2 plus x square dy by dx plus y is equal to sin x. You can see this is an ordinary differential equation because here only one independent variable is involved, as I told you in my first lecture. Okay, so what is the degree, what is the order of this differential equation? How you can determine this? So you just have to see which is the highest derivative in this case. You know, this is first order derivative and this is second order derivative. In the whole differential equation, this is the highest order derivative. So the order for this differential equation is 2. I am again taking some examples. Second example is d cube y upon dx cube plus d2y by dx2 plus dy by dx is equal to x minus y. Now you can see the highest order derivative in this case is 3. So order of this differential equation is equal to 3. In the last of lecture, I'll give you some homework so you can solve it by yourself, and please give the answer in comment section. After discussing about the order of ODE, now we will discuss what is the degree of ODE. So, highest power of highest order derivative after it has been made free from radicals is called degree of ODE. Now, students get confused that what is radical. So I want to tell you that the radicals are you just write it here. Radicals are what? Root 2, that is irrationals. Root 2, cube root of 2. Okay, all these terms are radicals. If they are involved as the degree of the highest order derivative, so we cannot determine the degree of ODE in that case. If they are not involved, then we can easily find the degree of ODE by taking the highest power of the highest order derivative. Yes, there is some correction. Then with the radicals, there should be fractions are also. Fraction is called degree of ODE. Okay, so fractions are also not involved as the power of highest order derivative. If there are fractions, we will remove them by squaring or cubing. Whatever we do, we have to just remove the radicals and fractions from the given differential equation. So, I am taking one example to determine the degree of ordinary differential equation. Here you can see this 1 by 4 is a fractional term. So, we have to remove this. And how we can remove this? We will take the power 4 on both sides. So, what it gives? d2y by dx2 raised to power 4 is equal to y plus dy by dx raised to power 6. Now you can see the fractional term is removed. So now you can see what is the highest order derivative for this differential equation. So highest order derivative is 2. So order is equal to 2 in this case. And now what is degree? We have to see the power of the highest order derivative. So here the power is 4. So degree for this differential equation is 4. Now you can see another example. This is example number 2. Now you can see here root is involved, but over the dependent variable. This is not involved in the derivative. So there is no effect of radicals here. Okay. So now in this case, if someone asks that what is the degree and what is the order, so you can see that order is 1 here. And yes, degree is also 1 because the power of highest order derivative is 1. So degree is also 1. Now I am taking one more example, dy by dx raised to power 1 by 2 minus x is equal to 1. Now what is the degree of this differential equation? So we have to just do dy by dx raised to power 1 by 2 is equal to 1 plus x. Now we will square on both sides. So dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x का whole square. Now you can see that the order of this differential equation is 1 because the highest order derivative is of order 1. So order is equal to 1. Now you can see the radicals is removed from here. So now the degree is equal to 1. So I hope guys that you understand the way to determine the order and degree of the ordinary differential equation. Okay, so we'll meet soon in my next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, like my content if you like it. Okay, thank you.